what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Before we get into it, I need you to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and give me a follow on my Instagram, Nams_boost. So today, I've got these wall spacers for my Audi RS6 from bimecc. So I've got 4 of them. I've opted for 20 mils in the front and 20 mils in the back. So the idea behind this is basically make the wheels 20 mils wider. So if you have a look where it's sitting already, especially the back, you can see it's slightly tucked in. It looks aggressive as it is, but this should really give it the edge. And this literally goes into the hub. Wheels go back on, and I got the longer bolts. So this is 20 mil wider. So it literally goes into the wheel and into the hub. Just a little update before I get into it. The bodyworks have now been complete. So the car is looking 10-10 right now. Just needs a little car wash. So I just thought I'll show you how the stance is right now. So you can see a clear before and after. Just the arches right now, and that's where the wheels sit. Same with the front, it's quite tucked in. So I'm looking forward to seeing the result afterwards. It's literally gonna sit 20mm from there, there. A lot more aggressive than how it is now. So let's get the car into my workshop here at Technik. Basic barking. We do everything here. The list is there. Engine rebuilds, MOTs, servicing, maintenance, all of that. Some gloves on. Ready for the job, innit? Right, before I jack the car up, I need to lock the suspension because it's got air suspension on it. Otherwise you can damage it. It can cost a few £1,000s on that if you're not careful. Servicing checks. See that? Now it's locked, so you won't damage it when you're going up.
Let's get the car jacked up.
Popping out there.
Huh?
The bolts are not coming out properly. Right, so we'll start off with this one first. Grab a spacer. It's as simple as this. Right, before this goes on, very important, put some copper grease on onto the hub and inside there.
What does copper grease help with?
It just it says you have to transfer discs, yeah?
Yeah.
To get that back up again,
Yeah.
just makes it easier for take off.
Okay,
Take
okay.
down freezer and
That's alright, isn't it?
yeah, that's perfect,
Not
mate.
too much. Line that to the hole. So as easy as that. Rock the hose on, put the bolts back on. And that's it. So using one of the new bolts, the longer ones, gonna back the wheel on onto the spacer. It's a bit of a heavy wheel, isn't it?
Yeah.
There you go. Lined up here. Yep. Should be ready.
Very well now.
It's a big difference already, you know, bro.
Oh, you can see it, yeah?
You can see it from right here, like this
Yeah.
is.
Watch when the
It's
car
coming
sits
out.
down. One of the easiest mods to do. Makes a big difference, isn't it?
Changes the entire stance of the car, isn't it?
Yeah.
It is.
Let's get on the floor. Oh, that looks hard, isn't it?
Came out a bit as well, came out way more.
That looks hard.
Man. Well, if the front's looking like that, then the back is gonna look mental.
Well, I'll tell you one thing, yeah? Right now, the suspension's not even settled yet. You know when you go for a drive and settle it?
Yeah.
It looks way better, because now it's a bit high. Let's get these back wheels off.
Some people usually get like longer spaces at the back than they do at the front. You got 20 mil all round. Is there a specific reason?
Some cars, yeah, if you put like wider in the front, like the back, yeah,
Yeah.
you get rubbing issues.
Okay.
So I got a mate, he's got RS6. He recommended to get 2020. That's what he's got.
Yeah.
He's got no issues with his one. So obviously his one looks nice as well. Looks harder. So
Have you seen it in person?
I have, yeah.
Yeah, 20 mil all round.
It's very aggressive.
Okay, okay.
So since he's got no issues on his one, it makes sense to get the full.
20 mils all round.
That's it.
Okay. Do you have any other ideas for visual enhancements for this?
Oh, looking.
Just at the back plate, innit? Yeah, have you got any other ideas for visual enhancements to the car? Obviously, we've got the spacers going on now. Anything
All
else?
the Maxton kit.
Okay.
I've got a front splitter, side skirts as well. I haven't got the back one just yet because I don't really like the look of it. Once the kit comes, I'll put it on. I'll see how it looks. If I feel it, I'll get the side and the, put the back one on as well.
Okay.
So let's grab the spacer.
Are we staying with this Sepang blue?
The colour?
Yeah, the color. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Nice colour. It's a Pulsar colour, isn't it?
Okay. Okay.
So it makes sense to wrap it. I like the colour anyway. See the new one, the new RS6, yeah? The new shape. This colour, they make you pay $5 extra for it.
$5 extra for
whereas
this.
it was a standard one. On this car, you can select as a normal option.
Okay.
So yeah, definitely classed as a premium colour.
Okay. So no wraps. We're staying Sepang blue.
Definitely the same colour. My previous RS6 was the same colour as well, wasn't it? Out of black, grey, silver, it's the best colour of all of them. That's what I think anyway. So yeah, let's whack this wheel on. grease on my hand. Can't even spin it. This is my first car that I'm running spaces on. I never had spaces on any car before. But after seeing my mate's car, I had to get it because it just transformed the look. You'll see it once it's done on the floor, I put on the road, you'll see the difference.
Big time.
Too heavy for that, innit?
Yeah.
So as you can see, the wheels are a lot more out than before. The suspension's not settled yet, so once I go for a drive, release the lock, it's going to settle down more, go to the normal ride height, and look like 100 times better than before.
Kick it, Nams.
Kick it, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna work.
Audi from the front. Yeah.
Hold it. Wait. That was a bit stiff.
Why you put the proper brake.
As it is that.
Yeah, this car never had a problem looking aggressive anyway. It's just this car looks so aggressive to start off with, but this one's gonna kill it. Let's get the car down and get on the road and I'll show you how it looks. You guys ready to see it, yeah? It's a big difference. Check it out. Very aggressive. It's like day and night difference. See that poke? That's what it is. I'm telling you guys now, this video is doing no justice for how it looks right now. So aggressive. What a beast.
So mate, how is it?
Got a bit of an issue, to be honest, on the front side. We got a bit of rubbing, not on the arch itself, but on the plastic liner inside. The roads here are quite bumpy as well, so it's probably that. Either way, I don't want any sort of bumping on this, especially on this car. I'm gonna put on the ramp tomorrow and see if I can do anything about it. If not, I'm gonna go down on the sides, go to 15mm, and that should be perfect. 15 and 20. 15 and 20?
15 and 20, yeah.
15 in the front, 20 in the back,
Yeah.
and I think that's going to be the perfect setup.
Is it
for the
rubbing
car.
when you're turning, or is it just rubbing on bumps and stuff?
Just bumps, to be honest.
Just
When
bumps,
I'm
okay.
driving. It's quite wide now, isn't it?
Yeah. It's very wide. I think the backs, they look the best. I think even downgrading down to 15 on the front might just be
Down
okay.
to the job, I think. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching another video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave me a like and a comment. Let me know your thoughts on what we've done. And give me a follow on my Instagram, nams_boost. I've left the link in the description below. Till next time, peace out.